Okay guys, I'm on it again. As you see already, I'm taking out the oil. It's dripping down. One of the peculiarities of an MZ motorcycle is the way you drain the oil out of the gearbox. Transmission oil. One is this bolt, which you just take out. There you have it. The sealant is a little copper ring. The other is, I hope you can see it on the camera, it's down there, also sealed with a copper ring. There the bolt is. Today I have two goals. One is to find out what on earth may be wrong with the clutch. That's damn thing underneath here. So in order to do that, I have to take this casing off, of course. In order to take this casing off, I have to loosen this aluminium contraption. You know. So in order to do so, I have to loosen the shaft, pivot shaft of the rear suspension. So all that's will be coming loose. I hope that I will be able to leave the oil tank in place. I will try to loosen the this oil pipe, call it what you like, and mount it a little bit higher so that it won't have any oil leaking. Second goal is to take the carburetor off to put it on the workbench for later. I will make a separate video on the carburation, a completely separate one. First of all, I'm going to take her apart. Yeah, again. Well, there you have it. The shaft's been loosened and already I've not knocked her in. I'm one of the, I think, few people who have possession of a shaft that is not rotten, stuck inside the frame. Yeah, counting my blessings. And there it is, already coming out. There. Carburetor has been loosened. Now I'm going to start with the clutch. And the first thing to do, of course, is the clutch. Cable starting from here, giving the cable more slack than I have. Okay, see you later. And now that I have given maximum slack, remove the grommet. Hey, I may take this little doohickey loose, take it out like that, and the cable is free. This in turn allows me to wrench this pipe out, and then I will be able to loosen the cable to release the cable from the clutch. So, and when you've done that, this is what you end up with. So next, take the oil pump cable loose and open this lid. Well, I took the lid off, as you see. Let's see. It's the retainer, the clutch retainer. And everything is dry. There is no bit of oil to be found here, and I tell you, that surprises me a lot. I'm used that if you open this up, always a whole sump of oil is around here. So I'm not sure yet how to interpret this, but I'm going to read in the manual now first.